Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of Adama Robotics. In this video we're going to learn about measuring the distance with our Bell robot using the ultrasonic sensor here, okay? So first of all, we have to open up our IDE. So as you can see, we have opened up the IDE, and then the first step would be to go into Arduino mode, okay? Now, it is our responsibility to connect the Bell, okay? So once you connect the Bell and upload the program, your like at the top of the program menu, it's going to turn as a serial port connected. Okay, so now it's still disconnected, so I've disconnected it. So when I choose COM4, it says connected, and when I choose Bell, it's connected. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to go to the robot section, and you can see the green sign here. Okay, so let's take the Adama script program first. Once you get that, and then you have to make a variable. Okay, so make a variable called distance. Okay, so once you make a variable called distance, your distance, it would be initially set to 0. Okay, and then what we need to take is we need to do the calculations forever to check. Okay, then every time the distance would get the value of the ultrasonic sensor, okay, whatever the value it's getting. So we need to set distance, and we need to go to the robot section, and we need to find the ultrasonic sensor distance. Okay, so once we drag in this block over here, the integer variable, we can see this. And now what we need to do is we need to show this thing in the screen, right, on the what do you say, on the dot matrix, the LED matrix that we have. So we need to take the show matrix positions and number after this, and here instead of number equals to 0, we need to take our variable distance. Okay, so once you take the distance, and then you have to wait for 1 second, and then you just upload the program by pressing this. Okay, so let's do it quickly, and this is it.